Hello, this is Gwen, and I'm going to show you some dog pictures I took of Hunter and Sniper. So this is one of Hunter, he's sleeping, and another one of Hunter, the one he's sleeping. Like most of them they were sleeping. That's a picture of Sniper, a really cute picture when he was sleeping. There's one of Hunter. Then like one of Sniper that I was kind of far from. There's one of Hunter. Another one of Hunter. Oh. Another one of Hunter. There's one of Sniper. Can't really see him because he's black, but there's another one of Sniper. Another one of Hunter. One of Hunter when he was chewing my fingers. There's one of Hunter. He looks so sad in that picture. There's one of Hunter. There's one of Sniper. There's one of Sniper. There's one of Hunter. One of Hunter. One of Hunter. And that's them all together. Like, us all together. But I wasn't in that picture because I had to take the picture. But, so you see Sniper, Leah, Elle, and Hunter. So, that's the last one. So, all of these are dog pictures. They were all on the couch, and I'm still on the couch. So, yeah.